One last check sa bahay. So, pagpasok mo sa door, ito yung washing machine. And then, dito yung shoe rack nila. Switch nila ng toilet, automatic. Bathroom. Ayan. Wait, tilawan natin. So, ayan. Ang ganda nung tiles nila, black. And then, ito plain white lang, pero maganda. And then, may bathtub. Then, dito yung kayo mag-shower. Provided na yung shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. And yan yung shower. Malakas naman yung water. Then, dito, kasya ang tatlong bed. Yung dalawang bed nandun sa cupboard. Dining table, bed. Maganda rin yung design nila. Plancha. And then, ito yung fridge nila, microwave, and toaster. May kettle. Utensils, ayan. Mug. And ito yung mga plate nila. And then, ito naman yung panluto nila. May rice cooker din sila. So, ito yung kabuuan ng room. Malaki naman at mahaba. And nang dumating kami ay malinis talaga itong room. We're waiting for our taxi. So again, this is our hotel. Hotel Min.
Not bad. Hello. Good.
Hello guys, so nandito na kami sa loob ng Skyliner train going to Narita. Nag-Narita Airport kami kasi yung Haneda, it's too expensive. From the hotel, nag-taxi kami which is 6 minutes away from the hotel and it cost us 1,600 yen. Then from Ueno Station going to Narita Airport, we pay passenger ticket and line ticket, 25 something yen. And from here to Narita is about an hour. Masyado kaming maaga, like 8:20 only. Our flight is 1:15, pero mas mabuti na ng maaga.
Welcome to Narita Airport, Terminal 2.
Lounge kami, Aspire Airport Lounge. Hi guys, andito kami sa Aspire Lounge. Nag-lounge muna kami kasi 2 hours pa yung flight namin. And inubos na namin ang aming yen. Pinabili namin ang pasalubong. Actually, may dalawa pa pang hindi nasami. Cute. Ang cute nito. Ayan. Malaki din naman nung ano nila, oh. Free wifi. Kami lang ang tao. So, yun yung entrance nila. Tapos may toilet dyan. And then, ito. It's automatic. Hot water here. And then, coffee, selection, hot water.
Hi, Joan.
Hi!
Oh, nice meeting you here. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Ay, this is mine. This is yours?
No, that's
Yeah, I think that's mine. I forgot. Andito kami guys sa Casa D. Actually, kadarating lang namin galing ng Japan. So, sinundo kami ni Richie sa airport. And look, dito kami titira ngayon sa Casa D. Binablog ko eh. Ang ganda. Wow, look, ang ganda. Yellow. Gusto ko to. Oh, ang ganda. Ang ganda nito. At saka ang ganda ng kulay. Ang aliwalas. Gusto ko rin tong lampshade nila. Ayan o. Ganda. Kami pala yung unang gagamit nito. Ano kasi to? Yan. Oo. Pinagawa to ng mga tita namin sa US na naka-base sa US. Ito kami ang lucky
first
na unang gagamit nito. Wow. Yan. May shampoo pa.
Ano yun? Pakita mo yung toothbrush. Kompleto, may towel na tayo. Toothbrush, Irish spray.